Hey, what's poppin'? We're live in Marrakech City. Try to get some food, try to get some action. Let's see what we have today. As you can see, it's beautiful weather today. A lot of people around. Usually there is a lot of pigeons here, but today they're off. It's their day off. Also, a lot of tourists. It's a very famous city for tourism. So I don't know if you've been here. If you haven't, you probably should by now. We got the cops, making sure security is right here. And everything's looking good for now. So as you can see, as soon as we get here, you're gonna find a lot of beautiful vibes, a lot of action, a lot of things going on. As you can see here, that we have a soccer player showing us his beautiful skills. Yeah, let's get it. Wow, very talented, as you can see. Very good, very good, very good. Everyone's looking at the stick like it's coming from outer space, as you can see. Yeah, usually in the street you find a lot of very good shawarma places for very cheap, like around $3, €3, and a lot of clothes shops. I mean, that sell clothes and stuff, fake stuff but good quality. So, in case you come here, you ought to check them out. So as you can see here, this is the shops I was talking about. They have fake stuff that you can buy and flex with in Europe or America or wherever you live in at. Also, people selling phones, headphones, accessories, all of that. But I mean, I hope you can see the vibe here, but it's really a great vibe. I can't describe it. I hope you come here one day so you can feel it. It's such a mystical vibe. Just gonna put it a bit higher. Thank you. Also, we got this very nice shop where they sell Moroccan stuff, Moroccan food, etc. Could be nice to check out. Oh yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. This is some bang shit. This is the stuff you wear when you go on a date on Tinder, so you can nail the date. Because as they say, the girls on the dates, first thing they look at is the shoes. So keep that in mind. It's for free. So we're making our way to the big market called Jemaa. It's where like they have snakes, charmers, monkey dancers, and all of that fun stuff. We got some fake watches too. I don't know if you've been to Istanbul, but it's so big in there. So I feel like here you're in that direction. I see more and more fake watches being sold here. Sometimes they look very real though, so I don't know if it's fake stuff, but if you are, make sure you check them out. yeah, slowly but surely we're making our way to the market. I'm gonna put it up. So here we are. So yeah, whatever. So as you can see here, you can hear the music already. This is the music of the snake charmers. It's a beautiful mess, I would call it, guys. It's a melting pot. You see people from all over the world. So that's why I really invite you to come check it out by yourself. It's fairly safe. People are friendly. They do speak English. You can see here, this is the juice makers. They do have very nice juice. It's not that, I mean, for our juice it's like 40 cents. And on the other side we have the babouche. It's the snails. It's very famous in Morocco. People love it. It also, like, they put a lot of herbs in the soup, so it tends to be nice for the health. And as you can see here, a lot of fresh fruits, fresh produce to make nice juice. So we do have a lot of, as I said, it's a big melting pot, a lot going on, a lot of cops around. So that's, I mean, they do have to be here to keep it safe, because it gets hectic at some points. Also here we have our leather shops. So if you're looking for real leather, it's here. It's a bit pricey at the place, obviously, but then again, it wouldn't be that much for, like, if you come from Europe, it would be you would consider it cheap. We also have plants and stuff. I don't know if you can bring these with you, but they look very exotic. They would look good in your balcony, I would say. Or also we have spices, as Hussein said. I love spices. I love mint, everything. So it's beautiful. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. So as you can see, people are friendly. They're always here to answer your questions and they also hope to sell you something, obviously, because here, economy-wise, they do rely a lot on tourism. So be nice, be good, and it's also very cheap. And this is, as Hussein said, Souk Bab Miftuh. It's one of the famous markets here. It's very crowded though. So as you can see here, it's really a place where you find everything. Everything is possible, everything is affordable, and everything is at your reach. So for vacation, Marrakesh, you can't beat it. Life is simple and affordable, as I said again. I'm gonna say that again, bold. So now we're going to one of these very narrow Medina streets. So this is some places you want to check out too. It's very narrow and full of people, but it's the experience, as I was explaining earlier. As we said, a lot of shops selling the latest clothing. I do love this Celine shirt though. It's very nice. Also looking for little camels for your kids. There you go. There they are. Some guy were complaining about me filming, so I'm gonna try to keep it low key because a lot of people here they're not very open about the camera in their faces. But the thing is, the plan of this video is really to show you what's going on here. It's not like to film their faces or film their lives. So we are still in this very nice tuk-tuk with Mr. Hussein going around these narrow spaces. And as you can see here, we have very nice carpets. Very nice everything, carpets, bags, shoes, food, some traditional Moroccan sweets, watches, more shops. Yeah. What's up, brother?
Hi, bro.
How you doing? All good?
Good.
Thank you, brother. See you on YouTube. We got the jerseys. We got more narrow streets just for your... What's up, brother?
Thank you.
How you doing?
Thank
I love your shirt.
Welcome.
Miami.
Miami.
Yeah, I love it. And as you can see here, we have more souvenirs for your homes, souvenirs for your bedrooms, whatever you like. Oh, but I gotta say I love these carpets. I haven't bought one for myself yet, but it's in the making. I just need to figure out how to send it to Germany. What's up, guys?
How you doing?
Chilling, bro. Chilling. So it's very, I would say, we call it's a beautiful, authentic experience in these streets. Every shop is different than the other. Although most of you will say the same, but once you're here, you're gonna see the difference, and it's beautiful. Very nice. Moroccan traditional clothes shops as well. More knickknacks for your living room. We got this little store, very cute. Usually I would say they sell ice cream, but they run out because it gets very warm in here. So when it gets warm, everyone is running around looking for ice cream. And we got a mosque here. So if any of you trying to go experience a mosque and have some pictures, I would assume that they will let you if you ask nicely. And just make sure to take off your shoes because it's forbidden. To more narrow streets, but with less traffic, as you can see. But believe me, at night it gets crowded here as well, because everyone is out, everyone is going for food, going to buy stuff. So it's crazy. It gets hectic. In Berlin they call it sexy but poor. Marrakesh I would just call it sexy. I wouldn't touch up on the financial aspect. Hey, how you doing, brother? Having fun? Me too. We got this little very authentic shops with beautiful doors as well. And if you come, guys, I also want to try pomegranate juice. It's very affordable, very fresh, very nice. What else could you ask for, right? And also I heard it's pretty good for your health, for your blood. So go get it. What's up, brother? Are you enjoying Marrakesh? Good. stuck in here. More beautiful, sexy shops. I love these. They're little plaques that you can drop everywhere in your bathroom, in your living room. Hey, how you doing? It's lovely. This is the Secret Garden. It's on our left. It's one of the historical monuments of Marrakesh. You ought to come visit it too. It's closed now, but usually in the morning it's mind-blowing inside. And as our guide Hossein telling me, this restaurant is pretty good too. So if you want to grab lunch and go to the Secret Garden, you can do that as well. It's a city full of options. So just grab your time, grab your loved ones, and come for options. Every street there is more options opening up for you, and it's up to you to take it or leave it. No one will force you. Oh, this is a beautiful hammam. It's a Turkish, and they also do massages. Hello, how you doing? Oh, and talking about pomegranate juice, it's very nice, very fresh, and it's only 20 dirhams, which is the equivalent of 2 euros, not even. And more beautiful stores for your eyes, more than your eyes can take. But believe me, you get used to this quick, or not. It depends, but it's very beautiful. More narrow streets. I just said hi to this very friendly old guy that was sitting on the corner. There is a lot of them. And this is the famous street called Street Dal Basha. A lot of tourists come here to take Instagrammable content. So please feel free to come here as well and rock your Instagram feed, right? I love it, guys. Whenever I'm not from here originally. Also, I've been living abroad for a lot of years, but whenever I come here, I just feel like home. What's up, brother? I really love these narrow streets, and I thank you, and I love them too. They just make you feel in some way that you wouldn't feel it in a big city like New York or LA or even Berlin, where I live at the moment. Oh, look at these beautiful doors. Amazing. I want to have one for myself. And there you go. Another restaurant for you food lovers. It's at Old Riyadh. That's been they changed it to a restaurant. Look at the sky, guys. The sky is beautiful today. No fucking clouds. I'm used to clouds in Berlin though. But here it's just like blue skies and good vibes. Oh, I just hope we don't fall over. We have a museum here. It's a beautiful museum. It's called Dal Basha Museum, and there is a coffee inside of it as well. So everything is catered here for tourism. So it's famous, it's affordable. Okay. All right. So our guide here is saying that this house, there was one of the very strong people back in the days of Marrakesh. It was the ruler of Marrakesh, and this is his house. Such a big cultural spot in the city. It's one of the pillars of culture in Marrakech. And as you can see on the left, you can see Jemaa, the place where we started. Also, if you like it, you could go. People like honking here. Just side note, people love honking here. So don't be shocked. Hossein, my man, that was a very nice fucking tour. I gotta fucking shake your hand. That was amazing. This is Hossein, guys. So if you come to Marrakesh, please get to him. He will show you around the city. Very affordable, very friendly, and he will show you all the spots you need to know. You don't have to Google it beforehand. If you're looking to do a spontaneous trip, Hossein got you.
Hello, how are you, my friend? Welcome to Marrakesh. Welcome to Morocco.
You take care of them, right? You take care of them.
Okay,
Here.